So all-in-one bathroom cleaner. This stuff, you use it for hard water. You're going to use it for bathroom salts, so urine salts. So use this in your toilet. You can put it in your toilet dispensing, your bathroom dispensing toilet brush from Norwex. So you can put it in the toilet brush that you use, that one. You can use this on the hard water in the shower doors, inside the bathtub. It is EWG Verified, and you get 3 refills with it. Now watch. This is, there's no like good way for me to do this. I didn't think about how I do this. Okay, are you ready? All right, so I'm just gonna sit this here. Should I do the scrubby side or the soft side? I'm gonna do the soft side. Let's do the soft side. Okay, look at that. Guys, you get to see this, and then well, sorry, I shouldn't have switched. I'm going to do this. So just that. Now I can see, you can see when this dries, you're going to have a little bit more there. I can feel it right there. So I'm going to, and it says in the instructions to leave it on a little bit, but I'm going to just do a little scrub. You can hear it. And it's not going to scratch, right? Look at that. And by the way, this little sink drain from Amazon is like the best thing ever because it catches the hair. We got these on Amazon and I absolutely love them. So look at this. How fast is that? Right? Okay, so do you see why you need this? EWG Verified, no harmful smells. I have pretty severe asthma. Anything with a smell, I'll start coughing and having a reaction. So I absolutely love this, and it is my new go-to. So I can use this in my toilet, in my shower, in my bathroom. I can use this in the sink, everywhere, and I'm going to clean all of it. I'm going to clean all of it with just this bottle. Okay, so you can eliminate the need for a bunch of other stuff. So for those of you who live in Texas and have hard water, you're going to love this. Absolutely going to love it. And very affordable and sustainable because it's going to last a long time. Okay, like seeing's believing. You watch that in real time. Okay, Ultra Scrub Cloth, all-in-one bathroom cleaner. You can buy it with the Forever Spray bottle. You do want this bottle if you don't have it yet because this nozzle is special. It's got this special thing for foaming. It's open. When it's open, it's a mist.